Today, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious restaurant-style burrito right at home. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. You'll need 1 finely chopped onion and 4 small bell peppers. Next, take 500 grams of chicken mince and season it with 1 spoon of salt, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and 3 spoons of olive oil. Add the chopped veggies to the pan and sauté. Take a tortilla and layer it with the cooked chicken mixture. Some green onions, a drizzle of mayo, sprinkle of sharp cheddar cheese. Roll it up tightly and toast it in a hot pan until golden and crispy on all sides. And there you have it, burrito made right in your kitchen. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video